Numa dodo aban na bia na me fa blame bia mo bia se me de ma chief of staff eye na nko ma media phone sika e na omu yi aban dwuma kire a nka communicators nko omu ba
no the chief of staff there so yeah information ministry or is it the chief of staff no ba be say
information ministry why the information ministry no just ka free him
or this ka free aban
aban na chief of staff nyina eye ni chief of staff. So unima, mami kancha aban na what nyina ni chief of staff. Ono na say o menkofo hu aban ni djuma waye. Na djuma no.
Okay.
Ono na say o hwe MPs ni your friends say ministers no chief directors no o hwe omo so no omo hu say esese ye we afie ye we. There na okay.
Okay.
Like NDC for munya ready for some of NDC for ni American so mo to aba omo hu ni mobo. Na nya ono a ono de ensamone politics do onimye. Oman farmer now omuko position because omni Asiedu Nketia onya sika or the akogu Canada edi mountain e ho no akototo na dan
me dance
Majeri enkopem da pen NDC for mo belle ni bibi say omo pe power say impo Ghana fo nyina papa na mo pe power eniema ama ye etwa mu no munya entro politics ni ye na munya Ghana fo nya mu arehyebu niema ama ye dada ebie na no say ma ye djuma de misika koto bank wo de koto bank ben aban bank o ADB o Ghana commercial bank o NIB bank o busa se usika no de koto bank ben odu sika edufudie enti no odu sika komo obi na wo wi awo de ho so bo abema aban wo re fisa ka say bank no eda life support so all can so atam na muti Lagos ana na muti hefa onu nkasa ekononim se banks no obie na no se ware akadompe no mo ye mo se damajoma ye magic ma hu no majoma be ye wokroma
Omusanya the Womusanya NDC. So you get an NDC president, NDC DCE, NDC MMDCE, NDC how do you call it? Assemblyman in the Volta region. For 29 years, they couldn't develop Volta region. Now John Mahama is promising Volta region people that, oh, this time when I come, I will pay attention to Volta region. Now men come free Volta. Now imagine ye Juma. And come Okasa ye na maji Mike Bisa say, can you account for us? That Keta Sea defense money President Kufuor went to bring for it to protect us, the people of Keta. Please, can you account for that money? Mese me come here this near. And come Bisa Mahama say, Aden ye this kama say, for be ye sea defense obo ye ho ban. Na nsuo no yiria embechi amfa ye so, amfa ye njapade, amfa ye nobaye, amfa ye niama. But NDC if we go Volta region. Etna se. Ena papa na ye this man say. On fanya sea defense na to yenchemo etisa ntomo no. Okoto mo 10 bags. And konto local rice kura. Nanka local producers no enyes kadebi. Okoto long grain rice, perfume rice, 10 bags. Oto esichire 10 bags. Nkatie 10 bags. Ye atoko esam kakra. And ye sardine box 20. And ye omaka ne say sheto, omedi gu jelly can mu. And ye di gere and also no botton be 10 because you say mono gele ne fatamu. Gele soakings no e fatamu ntino ye de emo 10 bags pe gele no ye de be 100 bags ne ba ye. Mu fe bi nkoka eyini. After this man spent your money when you were in need, when the water has taken your property, he came there, brought these items, which is a chicken feed to John Dramani Mahama. Compared to the money he has, what he brought there, chicken feed. Now, man, who the before me call horse, I done said, dear, near the ma ye di you. And Mahama, welcome, Wezolo, Iwezo, Iwezolo, and Mahama, Wezolo, Mahama, Wezolo, Eba, now, Mrs. Ah. And mo back, Eba. Hey, Ghana. Ha! You're serious in Ghana? Aqua way out Bokrono and to say, I'm a mo and ya, mo de ja, Tessa, who charge a draw. Okofa gele 10 bags, 20 bags, and a more 10 bags by ya. Mujina ho, Akosha, when you fit and say, Mahama, where's the low? He weighs a low, he weighs a low, Egba. I'm a shamus, and I must say, no. So Volta honor, I just say, Yame, Abba. Mutie, Volta region honor. Today I'm saying it on authority, man, and I have no vendetta against voters. For the people who know where I grew up, you know, Voltarians are my people, and this is a fact. But say what na ho kwasipi na obia ono sika na ese so de bon ho ban okodi e bibi matresi bu achi mo be ya millionaires ne e wo bra woda so hye atakwa me dan ni mu woda so hyafo akpa no egu na ase medoma wu na egu na ase na odi kai sabe gele 20 bucks esi chire 5 bucks Nketia kakra ya bra mo ayi sabe esam kakra na nu ntino mukofa amedafia no mu ni na ba say yemebu yemu we zolo a na chese mo nya ready for development o kan na yadwa my votarians o kan na yadwa. Look at the place MPP leads. Look at how those places are open. This is reality check. I want you to go to the Volta region. Look at it. Not that you are not paying your electricity bill. You are paying. Now say nipa na catch now say we can find emergency power. They be a catch us renyansa oh. Say papa ye Jimmy for oh. Ube Jimmy for. It is simple. If your father is not sensible, you will not be sensible. It is simple. You might take it as an insult, but it is a fact. Mikuta Toyota Tesla. Me top petrol $20 any kum. And near memoir, ye dear must say $20 no cram into me 20 cano, me nanti do baby and son my day, Masaya Bosso. Na me compare solution. Et me to petrol dia guka ke to nominate me de me akwaba. Me se makoto V8 17 abegu. Na wukoto V8 no NDC fu Jimmy fu aye kasa na mu kasa bi wo Ghana no na mu pese mu junso na mu di gu sa sebe car power na mu de ba ye na be ma electricity ana. You have no shame. You people put the country in debt. Over $584 million every year we are paying for that useless agreement you people made. 2016 State of the Nation's address, John Dariga Mahama admitted, said it was a stupid negotiation, and as a matter of fact, they should cancel 11 of them. It's in parliamentary hands. Go and look. Because you people don't fucking read it, you know. Jimmy for be social media, you people are not critically thinking. You are not critically thinking. Mahama tells you, say, he is not a magician to create jobs. He's not a magician to create jobs. After being president, he's not a magician.